Hello grade 10 students, so I'm back again with another video whereby I'll be giving you guys a scope for term 1 test in physical sciences. So if you know that you do physical sciences and you're about to write in a few weeks your term 1 test, watch till the end, okay? Without any waste of time, let's do the weekly breakdown of the term. So starting with waves, that's your first topic. We kick off the term by exploring transverse pulses and waves using slickies and springs. Learners will define key concepts like amplitude, wavelength, frequency, and the principle of superposition. Expect lots of hands-on demos or demonstrations and visual simulations to make wave behavior come alive. So guys, this is the very first thing that you have been doing during your first week of your studies or of your term 1. So please make sure that without any waste of time, you like the video and you also subscribe to this channel. Okay, so week 2, diving deeper into waves. So this week introduces longitudinal waves alongside transverse ones. So learners will draw wave diagrams, compare wave types, and use the wave equation to solve problems. So practical work includes silky experiments and ripple tank interference patterns for formal assessments. So that's under diving deeper into waves topic that you will be dealing with. Okay, so week 3, sound waves and their properties. So we shift focus to sound. So its pitch, frequency, and how it travels. Learners will relate sound properties to human hearing and explore sound wave behavior using oscilloscopes, visuals, and simulations. So a formal assessment includes measuring the speed of sound or analyzing sound characteristics with a function generator. Okay, so the following week, week 4, more sound and wave math. Okay, learners continue with sound, mastering the wave equation and solving problems involving frequency and period. They will describe sound production and propagation and explore how sound travels through different media. If you watch till this far, please make sure that you like the video and also subscribe to this channel so that we may keep making videos like this one. Okay, week 5, electromagnetic radiation begins. Okay, so we now move into the EM or the electromagnetic radiation, starting with basic properties like wavelength and frequency. Learners will explore the EM spectrum and begin understanding how different types of radiation behave. So that's one of the topic and the key area of your term 1 content. You must make sure that you do cover that as well. So week 6, electromagnetic radiation in action. So this week depends understanding of electromagnetic radiation. Learners will list types of the EM waves, describe their sources, and understand how they propagate. Okay, they will also explore how electromagnetic radiation interacts with matter, including effects on the skin. Okay, so week 7, from light to charge. So we wrap up with electromagnetic radiation and begin with electrostatics. Learners will define photons, calculate energy using E is equals to HF, and explore how charged objects interact. Expect demos with electroscopes and charged rods. Okay, you must also expect that. Week 8, electrostatic continued. Learners investigate how objects become charged through contact or rubbing. They will use electroscopes and rods to observe the triboelectric effect and understand how charges behave in different materials. Okay, so that's under electrostatics topic, which we're gonna cover very soon. Okay, week 9, electric circuits. So we move into electric circuits where learners define potential difference, current strength, and resistance. They'll learn how to connect armatures and voltmeters using the perform calculation using the Ohm's law. Okay, so you must make sure that you also give yourself enough time to go through the electric circuits. Okay, because they are also covered in your test. week 10. That's term 1 wrap up. So the term ends with a control test covering all major topics. I'm talking about topics like pulses and waves, sound, electromagnetic radiation, electrostatics, and circuits. Learners will consolidate their understanding and demonstrate mastery across the full scope. So this is the end of our video. Please make sure that you like this video, you leave the comment below, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one.